Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Please confirm once you get my screen. So are you getting my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, we had a discussion about the posting period variant, and we have discussed about one second. Okay, we had discussed about the document types, posting keys, and now okay. So in the last class, we had a discussion about the field status variants, tolerance group, document types, and posting key. Now we'll dive into the chart of account. So already I've explained you what is chart of account. So once again I'll repeat. So chart of account is a group of GL accounts that records the organization transaction in a structured way. Okay. So each general ledger account consists of account number, name, and control the information. So this is about the chart of account. So chart of account is nothing but it is a group of GL accounts where we are going to maintain the GL numbers for the particular type of transaction. Okay, for the particular type of account group. In chart of account, we have three types of chart of account: operational chart of account, country chart of account, and group chart of account. So in operating chart of account, it contains all the GL accounts that are used to meet the daily needs in a company. Like we have electricity expenses, miscellaneous expenses, stationery expenses, whatever rent expenses, okay, food expenses, all the expenses that will be incurred in the operating chart of account, and it is assigned to the company code. Then country chart of account, so it contains all the GL account that required to meet operating country legal requirements. Okay, so then group chart of account, this chart of account group contains the list of all the GL account that is used by entire company. Okay. Now we'll see how to configure the chart of account and how we can assign. See, as you can see here, we'll have, see, first we'll create the chart of account, then we'll assign the chart of account to the company code, then we'll have to define the account groups. Account groups are the groups where it is defined to a type of transaction. Okay. So it defines the type of transaction. Let's say if you want to post all asset transaction, it will lies in in this number range. Okay. This is the GL account number. Whatever the asset GLs we are going to create, that should be within this. Whatever the liability GL account we create, that should lies in this. Expenditure that should lies in this. So whenever see this is called our account groups. See, this is called our account group. It contains only 4 characters. This is the description. Okay. So here I have created standard these many account group, but in real time, when you work in the GL accounts in the chart of accounts, we'll be having hundreds of chart of accounts, account groups. Okay, based on the business requirement. So let's see how to create this. So first, what I will do, I will go to OB13 code, or else you can go with the path. I will go with the path. Second. Yeah, I will go with the path. Go to SIMG, then financial accounting. So financial accounting, general ledger accounting, the general ledger accounting. Then we have GL accounts, master data. See, here we have GL accounts, master data, and here we have GL accounts, preparation, and here we have edit chart of accounts. See, edit chart of accounts. See, master data, preparation, and edit chart of account. If you click on this, see, you will have to create our new. I'll go to new entry. Then here I will create uh, TC, TCOA, TCOA. Okay. Now, so it is already there. What I will do, Tanish chart of account. Somebody has consumed it. But in real time, whatever the client has provided you, that you can create it, that will accept. Because as this is a training server, it contains different others configuration as well. What I will do is TLCA, okay, Tech Labs chart of account. Uh, Chart of account. And language, I will select EN. Then length of the account number. See, this can be customized up to 10 characters. Okay. Now in my we have 6 characters. I will maintain 6 characters. Okay, 6 length. If you have any group chart of account, you can create. If you want to block the chart of account, you can block it. Once it is blocked, you cannot use any of the GL accounts under this chart of account. So let's save it. So I have created group chart of account. Okay. So maintain. See this TLC I have created, right? Okay. This you'll have to maintain in the Excel sheet. Open new Excel sheet. So I told you to maintain. You'll have to create company code, company code. What is your posting period variant? What is your tolerance group? What is your um, now chart of account? So these are all you'll have to maintain. And I told you to send the screenshot whatever you have created. Okay. Let it be. Now I have created my chart of account. So if you go back, you can see here we have chart of account. If you double click on this, see you cannot edit this. You can edit rest. Now the next step is we'll have to assign company code to chart of account. I'll go to assign company code to chart of account here itself. Under this, I will position my company code. It's the same tab. 1 second. Okay, wait. Server is a bit slow. Let's see. See, once we assign the chart of account, then this is very important step. We'll have to define the account group. So these are all the account groups, and we'll have to define the range of the GL account under which number this account group GL account has to be created. Okay. So here I will position what is my company code TLIN, and here I will make it TLCA, and I will assign same chart of account to same company code TLCA. So same chart of account I am using it. Okay. TLIN, TLUS. Save. Save. See, I have assigned chart of account. Okay. Next. Now I'll have to define the account group. Okay. To define the account group, we have a path here itself to define the account group. So click on this, and here we will have to go to new entry. And now see chart of account group name, there is description, and from this see already I have here. So here I will make it my TLCA. This is my chart of account. What I will do, I will make it as same. See this, that was my previous training. So you will have to copy from this. So don't copy this heading. Copy from this. Go back, and here click on this chart of account field. Paste. See. So this is my chart of account. These are all the account groups. See, this is for share capital. Whatever the GL account we will create for the share capital, it should lies in this number. Asset GL, it should lies in this. Liability, expenditure, see, respective account group has to be created with respect to those numbers for the GL account. Now I will save. See, we have saved it. So this is my GL account group creation. Now, so here we'll have to define retained earning account. So this is mandatory step. Why we will have to create? What is this retained earning GL account? So basically at the end of every financial year, balance of the income statement get transferred to retained earning account. So that's why this retained earning account is mandatory field, and that this retained earning account is a share capital account. Okay, that will come under share capital. That's why I have created standard here 1000500 GL account we'll have to assign. But as of now, we have not created any GL accounts. Okay, so even though we can define this retained earning GL account. So here only we have, if you go back, here we have defined retained earning account. Select it. Enter your chart of account, TLCA, enter. So here P&L statement should be X. So this is the standard one, X. And here GL account, see, once you enter this GL account, see, we don't have any GL account. But even though if you are trying to assign the retained GL account, see, balance will be carried forward to this GL account. I will show you at the time of transaction. Okay, enter. See what it is telling. You are not getting an error. You are getting a warning. Account 1000500 not created in chart of account. Okay, no problem. Later we will create. Just assign it and save it. See, we are done with this retained earning account. Now, and here we have one more mandatory step. So here in this document, see these document we will have to split it. So what does it mean? I will show you. Wait, I will go to this path. Later I will show you. I will go back. I will close this general ledger accounting, financial accounting. So now we will have to go to SIMG, GL accounting new. So financial accounting, GL accounting, and then business transaction. Close this. Close this. Here we have business transaction. Then we have document splitting, and then classify GL accounts for document splitting. See this one. So enter your chart of account. Give okay. Now observe here. We need to define the category of the GL accounts. Let's say I will go to new entry, and here see what I will do here. I will copy all these, only these GL accounts, and I will paste here. Now observe. We are going to categorize. So these GL accounts should be categorized for share capital. So I'm making the category here. So here we have. So this is for share capital. So balance sheet. This will come under share capital. Will come under balance sheet. Okay. Next, asset. Asset will also come under balance sheet. Select here. Then liability will also come under balance sheet. Then 400, this one will be in expenses. This will come under expenses. Here we have expense. And this 500, this will come under income. So here we are categorizing it. So income means revenue. Then this is also expenditure. Okay, secondary expenses. Then at last we have settlement. This will come under expenses only. One second, give me a minute. This will also come under expenses. One second for the introduction. Okay. Now the moment you create presenter, see we are going to categorize here. We are splitting these documents. So these GL accounts will come under balance sheet. So like this, based on the requirement, you will have to categorize it. So this is mandatory step. We are done. We are done with the document splitting configuration. Okay. So we have defined the category. We have defined the item category respectively. See, we are done with this. Now Go back. So now we are done with this chart of account. So this is the sample for GL accounts. Okay. See, under liability, what are all will come? Okay, under asset, what are all will come? This is for reference. Just leave it. Now I will go to GL creation. What is GL? See, general ledger is a number. So is a set of numbered account a business uses to keep track of its financial transaction. So GL is a general ledger account number. Okay, it is a number which is used to track the financial transaction. Like if you have any cash GL, okay, if you want to generate a financial report for cash GL, whatever the transaction occurred. So with the help of GL accounts, we can generate a financial report. Each account is having its unique number. See, each account is a unique record summarize each type of asset, liability, equity, revenue, expenses. A chart of account lists all of the accounts in the general ledger, which can number in thousands of large businesses. Okay, so this is the meaning of GL account. So general ledger are typically used and accessed by the accountants. So following the accounting equation, any debit added to one GL accounts will be having a corresponding equal credit in the another account or vice versa. So whenever we are crediting to one GL account, it should be debited to another with the same amount. Okay. So, or vice versa. Using GL account can help company monitor finances, track transactions, compile and maintain the information for the important business related reports, and helps preventing accounting errors and frauds. So basically, GL account is used to monitor the financial transactions. Okay, and it helps us to track the transactions whatever occurring. Okay, so these are the GL accounts which we will create it. So we'll create share capital account. So that is on investment, retain earning account, cash account, inventory raw material account, inventory trading material account, inventory finished goods, salary expenses, rent expenses, electricity expenses, purchase account, interest received, commission received, sales account. See, based on the business requirement, we will have to create the GL accounts. Okay. But as part of this training, I will create all these GL accounts and I will show you how to create these GL accounts. See here, cash account. So cash account contains one specific GL code. So these are not standards. I am creating as per my requirement. Okay. So this is my cash account. So cash account contains a unique number 200005. So with the help of this GL number, we can generate what cash account transaction has been occurred. If you want to generate all the rent expenses report with the help of GL account, we can generate the rent expenses. Okay. So this is how you this is about the general ledger accounts. Now we'll go to steps to general ledger creation. So basically we have a common transaction code FS00. Okay, FS00 is a transaction that can be created that can be used to create the GL accounts. Okay, that is used to create the GL accounts centrally. So we have different FSPO that is used to maintain only chart of account data, and FSS 0 that is used to create only company code data. FS00 can be used for all. So when you go to FS00, observe here /n FS00. See here we are getting type or description, control data, okay, then create bank or interest. These are all the informations. So control data is a company code data, bank or interest is for a chart of account data. Okay, but so I will show you here. If you go to FSPO, so a company can have many company codes, and each company code can have different chart of account. Okay. If ledger account is created under chart of account of one company code, no other company code can use the ledger. Okay. However, one or more company code can use same chart of account in which in this case, GL info can be extended. So that I will show you. So first I will show you what is the use of FSPO. See, I am into FS00, you are getting all this. If you go to FSPO slash n FSPO, sorry, slash n FSP0. So you can see you are getting only type, keyword, and this one. If you go to FSSO, FSS0 slash n FSS0, see here getting only control data and bank. Okay. So if you go to FSW, you are getting all the data. That is called central. See, type, control, create bank, keyword, information, and all. But as of now, we have not created any GL account. Okay. So I will show you how to create the GL accounts first. Okay. Now I will go to see, basically when you go to FS00T code, so you will get interface like this. Let me show you here. So basically, if you are going to log in, see, you will get like this. You won't get the specification tree here. In that case, what you have to do is you will have to go to settings, hierarchy display, then click on display account in navigation tree. Execute. So what it is telling, the new setting will take effect once transaction is restarted. So again, I will have to restart this transaction. So now we are getting in this mode. So keep this FS00 screen in this mode itself. Now we are into different company code, right? If you want to change your company code, click on change company code. I will give TLIN. See, enter. See, we don't have any GL account. That's why I am unable to change. See, it is TLIN. See what it is telling. Specify an existing value. Existing value means GL account. So now what you have to do is here we have create button. Click on create button. Here I will have to enter the GL account. 1000000. First I will create this. Paste it. What is my company code? TLIN. Enter. So now you can see. Now still not yet created. We need to enter the data. So here in the type and description, we are getting GL account type. What type of GL account is this? So this is share capital, right? This is balance sheet. Share capital will be always balance sheet. And then we have account group. Account group, we have created a GL account, right? Okay, what is the account group for this share capital? Do you remember? So here in the chart of account, see this is SCPL, share capital. See whatever we have given, see here we are getting SCPL. Whatever the account groups we have created, now we are getting here. How it is coming? It is coming with respect to the chart of account. Okay. Now go to this, copy this description and paste it in the short text. Paste it in the see type and description I have created. Now go to control data, and this is very important. See, automatically the currency has been copied with respect to the company code. Okay. Now here we won't maintain anything. So later we'll discuss. Don't check anything here. Click on create bank interest, and here field status group. Do you remember field status variant we have created? So here we are going to define field status group. So for this share capital, I will use general. Where is this general? See, I have mentioned in the G001. See, G001. Okay. Enter and save. See, keep balance sheet account in local currency once again. Here I will go to change button, click on balance in local currency and save. Okay, I have created one GL account. See, we are getting multiple, right? Now you can see if you go to change company code, if I use TLIN, see, we are getting one because I have created only one. Under this share capital, we have one GL account. So let's create another one. Copy this GL account number and I will. So now what I will do here, See, share capital, balance sheet, G00, same data. Okay. Once again, I will go with the create new itself. Paste your GL account. So this is my TLIN. Enter. Now you can see, you can go to type or description. So here, this is my retained earning account. Paste it in the description. Then here, I will go to what type of GL account is this? This is balance sheet share capital. So this is balance sheet. Here you have share capital. Now go to control data, make it balance in local currency. Here, same G00. Now I will save. The moment I save, see another. If you want to edit this, select this and go to change button. You can edit it. Okay. I will mark this post automatically only. Okay. Now I'll create this cash account. Copy this. So create new, paste. It has not pasted. Copy. So 200005. Enter. Now this is my cash account. So here I will copy this and I'll paste it here. What type of GL account is this? See, this is my asset. Sorry, balance sheet. See here, cash account will be always under balance sheet and this will be always asset. See, if you select asset, we are not getting any error. Why? Because we have assigned a proper. See, this asset should lies in this number range. See, 200000 to 29999. What number I have given? Within that only. If you try to give different, like say income, see, we are getting an error. Account group INCO only defined account from this number range. Okay. So this is the importance of this. So I will go to, what is this? So this I have created. What? Asset. Okay. Sorry. Asset. Now control data, balance in local currency. So here for this G001 only. So G001. So I'll come back again with this G001. Save it. See, one more has added asset. Okay. Now see, we have same data, but only the description is changing. Inventory raw material account. Whenever we are going to purchase an inventory raw material, that will be recorded in this GL account. So copy this description. Copy this description. So 20000. So what I will do now, select this, go to copy, and here it should be 6. Enter, and here you will have to change the description. That's it. Everything is same. See, asset balance sheet, but here G006. So in this create bank or interest, let's see what is G006 material account. Okay, select and save. We are done. Next, I'll get inventory trading material account. So here, select this, go to copy, and here it is 7. Enter. Everything is same, only we need to change the description and save. That's it. Everything is same. Next, inventory finished material account. Copy. Again, select here. This is 8. And here we'll have to change the description. Okay. Save. Nothing has to be changed here. Again, now we are going to create different account. Salary expenses. Copy this description. And now, so this is expenses, right? So click on create. This is 400000. See, 400000. Okay. And this is my expenses, primary cost or revenue. Sorry, one second. Yeah, primary costs or revenue. Okay. Primary costs or revenue. Now here it should be expenses. And now paste the description. This is salary expenses, control data, everything is same, and here it is G001 only. G001 general because this is the normal expenses. Save it. Now again, see there are another rent expenses. So I will copy this and here I will make it as 1 and this is my only you need to change the description. Save. Now we have electricity expenses. Copy 2 and this is my electricity expenses. Save. Nothing is to be changed. Once. Save. Yeah, it is saved. Electricity expense. Next, purchase account. That is, see, purchase account. Whatever we purchase, that financial transaction will be recorded in this 400003. So here, copy and here it is a purchase. So copy this purchase account. Save. Next, interest. See, even you can copy this if you have different number. Interest received. Okay. Interest received. 500000. If you copy here, so 500000. Enter. Now here we'll have to paste. So this is interest received account. Interest received means it is a primary cost and revenue itself, but it should be income. See, it will come under income. And rest G00 and everything is same. Same. Now I'll copy this again. And now G00001. This is for commission received. Commission received. Save. This is also income. Sale account. This is also an income, right? So copy 00002. Enter. And this is my sale account. So next in the coming session, based on the transaction, we will create still more GL accounts. Next we have outstanding expenses. This is very important. Okay. Copy this. This will come under 300001. I'll go to new 300001 and here it should be outstanding expenses. This is balance sheet. Okay. Outstanding expenses means whatever the balances we have. So here it is balance sheet and liability. It will be always liable to pay, right? Outstanding expenses. Then here it is outstanding expenses. Control here not. So here balance sheet liability. See, always outstanding expenses will be always in the open item. This is very important. Then create banker interest, that is general G001. Save. So this is how we have created all the GL accounts. Okay. Next. 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 If you want to delete any of the GL account or if you want to block for posting, let's say I want to block one GL account to be posted. So directly you can select any one of the GL account. Let's say I'll go to income. If I want to block this interest received, select this. Here we have an option called block. Once it is blocked, It will be blocked. You cannot post any of the financial transaction. Okay, but I'm not going to block here. I'll show you how to delete. Okay, I'll show you how to delete. Let's say I'll create on dummy. Mm, I'll create on dummy GL. So copy one, and your description I will give dummy GL. Okay, save it. See, I have created dummy GL. Now observe, select it. I will show you how to delete. Select, and here we have delete button. See, delete flag chart of account level, yes. Delete under company code level, yes. I want to delete under both the levels. And now I will save this. Save. See, it is deleted. If you refresh this, even if you refresh, it is coming. Okay, it will be in the database, but I need to delete completely. For that, you'll have to go to OBR2 T code. OBR2. Now, copy this GL account, and I will go to /n OBR2, and here we have delete GL, paste your GL, okay, with the general data. So select this, and I'll enter my company code TLIN, and here delete. I don't want to test run. Delete per deletion flag only. Execute. Yes, I want to delete. See, it is deleted. Now I'll go back, and if I go to FS00, observe here in the share capital, see, it is deleted completely. Okay, so this is how you can delete your GL accounts completely from the database. Next, we have one second. Okay, so now see, we have created GL accounts for this company code, but now I have one more company code, right? For that, again, we'll have to create all these. Right click on this, expand all. Sorry. So see all the GL accounts I'll have to create once again for this company. But SAP has given one functionality. We can copy the GL accounts from one company code to another company code. Okay. So we have a transaction called FS15 /n FS15. Note down this T code. See, GL accounts. Okay. So from this, see, this is target company code. Now, what I will do here, we have a range in chart of account from 1 to 79, right? I'll copy this from and 2, I'll select this. Okay, and company code is TLIN. I want to copy transfer master data. So GL account is a master data in SAP. So again, same, copy this. Oh, sorry, this is my target company code, TLUS. Okay, so once you enter, just execute. See, files is being checked. Session 1, no termination has been found. If you go to display, choose message log. See, now if you go to FS00, now I will change my company code TLUS. Okay, one second, not copied. Mm, created. Na? Just I will go to FS15, copy GL account master data. or else you'll have one more FS16. FS16. Okay, we'll go to FS15 only. Why it is not copying from this to this? ELN transfer master data. Uncheck this. And execute. Just give any name here. Why it is not copying? See, now it is copied. See, TL target company code. Now, if you go to FS00, change your company code to ATL US. Enter. See, now we are getting all. See, company code, but still it is showing. Double click on any of the trends. See here. If you go to control data, automatically the currency has to with respect to this. So I'll mention here copy one second. Okay. So this is how we can copy. As we were having one more company code, we have copied all the GL accounts from one company code to another company code. So for that, I'll mention here copy, paste, company code, another company code. We have a transaction code FS15. FS15 is the T code. Okay. So this is how you can copy the company code, copy the GL account from one company code to another company code. So that's all for today. So now you will have to do a lot of practice. So once you practice this, see we are done with this startup account and GL creation. So next we'll go with the currency settings. This is also a very important. Okay. So then we'll go with the document posting. So, okay. So till this currency setting, all the configurations, basic configurations which has to execute for all we have done. Okay. So if you have any questions,